Like, cool.
Imagine now the police came.
Yes.
I think I would go in the angry, in the gefängnis, you know, in the prison. 1, 2, 3. Because. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to this channel. We have chosen a nice section of our dance video La PROMESA. Just check it out. Yes, it looks crazy, right? It's just small, but it's nice, okay? So I hope you enjoyed the quarantine time as we do. Yes, because we are using the quarantine time to produce some online classes for you. So if you're a beginner and you want to practice and know the fundamentals of salsa, we have put and released a new dance online class on Udemy. So check it out and check our info box. We will put the link below. Let's start this tutorial. Okay. If you don't know an open break and crossbody, please check the info box below on Udemy. We have the fundamentals for you. Quite cheap. Just check it out, alright? 5, 6, 7 basic. And now cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. As we do the cross body lead, please try, and that's our motto, celebrate all your moves. Don't try to focus on quantity. Quality is the most important thing. In that case, we try to celebrate our crossbody lead, alright? Girls, extend it with the hands. Guys, we do the same movement. We don't need to do it up like the girls, but try to have like, to see like a cowboy, you know? Like, our motto is dance like a hero. So in that case, if I do like this, I'm preparing for my gun, like, you know? Okay, just like a hero move, okay? Celebrate your basics. That's an advice for you if you're a beginner, intermediate, advanced, a star. Doesn't matter. Celebrate the salsa moves. Your basics, okay? Really important. Okay. Let's continue to that move. We do 5, 6, 7 and 1. That's a bounce. It's a bounce. An open break means all the time something is coming up. So in that case, bounce feeling here. So you should be able to lean back. Okay? Yeah, whether the girl or the man, we are leaning back. Okay? This looks good. If you don't do it, it looks like this. 1. You know? No, doesn't look good. So, open break. Then she get the pull. I pull her. Yeah, it's 1, 2. I pull her to me. So on 3, I grab her hand. Yeah, smooth, of course. Just with 1 finger or 2, not more. Don't grab her like this. Like that. You see here. 5, 6, 7 again. 1, 2, 3. Pull her on 4, 5. Okay, to me, to the direction. This arm goes up like that. Not here. Just above her head. And to a left turn. And like this. Okay? Let's do it on counting. We do an open break. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. On 7, she get a gentle push from here. 7, 8, 1. So on 7, she get a gentle push from my arm. And on 8, 1, she goes back. Let's break it down, just that part. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Connected. 5, 6, 7. On 7, usually we go back like this, okay? So I go with her. And in that case, my whole body is like that, look at that, and goes vice versa. So the opposite way. And in that case, she feels a little push here on her back, like this, yeah? And that is her sign to go back, okay? Below my arm, of course, okay? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, open break. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now, preparation, 7. And this is now the 1, okay? Let's do it again, all together now. We do a basic first, and then let's do the move. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, open break. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, push. 1. So easy, right? So, the arms are like that. Let's try it and show you from that side. Maybe it's easier for you. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Open break. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. So easy. Okay, let's do it with music. This song is by artist, so you can't find it somewhere. So in case you are a creator and you are interested in artist, check it out, the link below. You get 2 months off. Just saying, okay? All together with the music. 1. Basic. Basic. Let's go, basic. Up break. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Easy. From this side. Basic. Let's go. Open break. Back. So, easy, right? Now you question maybe, what happens if the girl doesn't understand my sign? That's a good question, thank you. So, let's do it. Let's try to do it once. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So, in case she doesn't understand the sign and you try to push her, you have an option. You break, you grab her hand and just do like that. Easy, right? No. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. No, 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 no. We are gentlemen, right? And we don't do that. So, everything look great. If it happened like that, usually could happen, why not? So in that case, if she doesn't understand and everything goes so fast, I leave it. Just leave it. So in case it just look like a normal move. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and she doesn't move. Okay, 1. So don't force a girl to move. No. I always try to lead smoothly and gentle. Okay? And that way she will enjoy the dance with you. And instead of she's going down, she's going back, and you do another move. And that's it. Very important. Please do not try to force the girl to a special move.
By the way,
yes.
That happened to me. I remember one time at a party.
Yes.
So little reminder, I'm also a beginner right now, so it's not long ago, and I didn't know that move, and I didn't understand the sign, and the man was, I don't know, get in this position, and he just hit my head totally with his arm, like. Ooh.
Imagine now the police came.
Yes.
I think I would go in the angry, in the gefängnis, in the prison. So please, be gentle. It's a dance. It's not a fight, Really important. Sometimes it's a fight, but no. Let's do the second move. In order to do the second move, we have to make the first move. It's easier to come in that move. Move. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. So check our hands. we are connected only with the fingers, not with the thumb. So as she's going up, we are moving and turning to the right, like 1. So this arm is going up, so I'm going under my arm, okay? Please check. My elbows are always looking down. They're always facing down, not up, not like this, okay? So, we're like this. We're like this, right? Check it out. So, and now, 1. Yeah, here, fingers. 1, 2, 3. So we are like that on 3. Look at it. 3. Okay? La 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 la. Okay. So like that. And now this is the most difficult part. Okay? Because one, two, three. Because the difficult part is that we have to be try to be flexible. So don't grab too much, okay? Here. So try to stand like a gentleman. And on 3, we try to stay more diagonal to her. Not like this, like that, okay? Why? Because she needs to cross me here, that way, and I need to go this way. And now from here, at the same time, I try to give her space, otherwise she would run into me, yeah? She would run into my back. That's not good, right? Look like this. Okay, let's try it, let's show it from this side. From here, I try to go to the left in order she can cross. She goes, and then that is my contact. I leave that hand, and her hand is going behind my back, and this hand is waiting gently into her hand. Zack. That's the move. I do it a little bit faster and counting. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. So what I do sometimes is, if we're here and I leave that hand, I pull my hand and try to do this like more style. I use my hand and do like this. In the meantime, I turn like that and bam. Yeah? You can use like if your hand would be a lasso, like yeah, you it's like a slap in the face. Yeah? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. It's quite easy. For the guys, there, as I said, the most important thing for you guys is that you give the right preparation and enough space in order she can cross. That's the most important or the most difficult part. And a third, the bounce. Yeah, the tension. Like whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Because if she doesn't, or if the tension is too weak, then we have a problem. She doesn't understand, because right now she's seeing me from the back, right? So, and if I don't push her in the right way, she will stay here. So it will look like this. Okay? So in order to do that, you need the right preparation, the right timing, which here is on 4 and 5. So 3, 4, 5, and I turn like this. So please keep that in mind. 1, the right preparation, enough space, and the right tension. Alright? Let's do it from the top with counting and then with music all together. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, and let's go break. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From the other side, 6, 7, basic. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it with music. Basic. 1. Let's go. Basic. Other side. Basic. Let's go. And last time. Basic. Let's go. So, and for those people who don't know La Promesa, our dance video, just check it out. It's almost 1 month ago. If you have other moves we should explain, please just write it in the comment box and we'll try, of course, to break that down and to explain to you, alright? Yeah, thank you for watching. Give us a thumb up and we say goodbye until next time. Yes, 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 yes. Lass die Kamera ausmachen.
Achso.
We have chosen a nice sound together, okay? We will start with an open, we will start with a cross, we will start with a basic, and I just see it here, so the nice movement.
You just see it here.
Do what you do me?
Like, I just see it here. Like, cool.
Imagine now the police came.
Yes.
I think I would go in the angry, in the gefängnis, you know, in the prison. 1, 2, 3. Because